Fresh Hostinger VPS. No config files written. No commands memorized. I gave Claude Code one prompt and it updated a server, created a user, set up the firewall, installed nginx and deployed this app. Let me show you exactly how. First, which plan you should use? Well, 2 minutes on this because people always get it wrong. KVM 1. 1 CPU, 4 GB RAM, $5 a month. Fine for running one app or small site. That's what I'm using today. Then we have KVM 2 that has 2 CPU, 8 GB RAM. Pick this if you are running multiple apps, a database heavy site, or expect real traffic. Don't overthink, you can upgrade later without reinstalling anything. So just choose your plan and select Ubuntu, LTS, and skip the control panels. We don't need them. Claude Code is our control panel. While creating that VPS, set your root password, or you can also use your SSH key if you don't want to use password, and then pick the server location closest to your audience and let Hostinger spin it up. It takes about 2 minutes. Once it is ready, you will see the IP address here. Just copy it and that's all we need. Now let's go to the terminal. Let's start the Claude Code session. No special setup, just open Claude Code. I'm going to give it one prompt that handles everything a typical beginner VPS tutorial spends 20 minutes explaining. This is my prompt. And here I am mentioning I have fresh VPS hosting a VPS at this IP. My computer's SSH key is added so you can access through SSH without password. You can either use it through password or with the just SSH key. Then I'm asking it to please do the following via SSH, connect as a root, update all packages, create a new user called deploy with sudo access, then set up SSH authentication for the deploy user using my local SSH key. Configure UFW firewall, install Node.js LTS, nginx, create a simple express hello from Hostinger app and configure nginx as a reverse proxy to serve it on port 80. Set up app to run with PM2 so it survives reboots. Tell me when the site is live. Before starting anything, let me tell you, if you don't want to use your password and you want to authorize your computer to have access to your server, then you can just get your SSH key, copy the existing ones in your terminal, go to the home directory and then go to the SSH folder, and then here you will see I have this public key file. Just copy the name, type cat and the name of the file. You can just select that code and paste it here and just hit save. Now your computer is whitelisted and you can easily log in. So now let's go back to our Claude Code. Let's submit that. So just watch what happens. Claude Code SSHs into your server and it will run the real commands. So you see that it is now updating the packages. Now it is creating the deploy user and configuring the firewall. And also it is setting up the SSH key, HTTP, HTTPS only on that firewall, and everything else will be blocked. So after installing the Node.js, it will create the Express app automatically. Now it is asking for my permission to approve. This command here is the justification why it needs that. It needs to create Express app, configure PM2 and nginx. So these, if you want to review, you can spend time and read what is going to happen. So let's approve that request and see what happens. Okay, it says everything is configured. Let me verify it is live and asking our permission to run this command. Yes, give that permission. It has created the Express application automatically and tested everything. So you see that no copy pasting from Stack Overflow or Google or anything with no typos. It just writes correct configuration. And you see we use the PM2. So PM2 means the app restarts automatically if server reboots. And nginx is routing traffic from port 80 to the application. This is the part that trips up most beginners. Claude handled it in just one step. So as you see, it's done. It's live on this IP address. So let's check to see it in action. Copy the URL, go to the browser, paste the URL. All right, let me zoom in. You see the hello from Hostinger message is there. So there it is. Fresh VPS, fully configured, app deployed. That entire setup took under 5 minutes. One more thing, that is SSL. If you have a domain pointed at this server, Claude handles that too. I already have pointed my domain to the IP address of this VPS server, so it will work. All right, so this is my prompt. I am asking it that my domain ayaztech.xyz is pointed at this server. Install certbot and set up a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for ayaztech.xyz. Make sure that domain name is correct, and then configure nginx to redirect HTTP to HTTPS automatically. So let's submit that and watch. All done. This domain is live with SSL. So let's click on this link and see if it works. And here it is. Let me zoom it. You see that this same application is accessible through this domain. And if I click on this icon, then you can see it is saying connection is secure and certificate is valid. If you click, then you will find all information of the certificate. You see that it is using the Let's Encrypt certificate. So now your application is fully secure, all powered by Claude Code. So you see certbot installed, certificate issued, nginx updated, and everything is done. That's amazing. Hostinger also has a built-in AI called Ask AI that you can find on top right of your dashboard. It is actually pretty capable. It's MCP powered and can execute server actions, like you can ask it to take snapshot. You can monitor your resources, and you can also configure security, like you can ask it, please add the most recommended firewall rules. Submit that. Okay, you see, I just asked it and it has added the configuration. Here you see recommended baseline is added. This Ask AI tool has around 200 built-in actions for managing Hostinger infrastructure. So what does Claude Code add? That is scope. Ask AI manages your server. Claude Code manages your server and your application. Writes the code, deploys it, debugs the errors, configures custom software. It's not limited to Hostinger's action list. Anything you would do on the command line, Claude Code can also do it. So this demo used a simple Express application. If you want to deploy a real Next.js project, I have a separate video for that, link in the description. Hostinger VPS, Claude Code, one prompt, firewall configured, nginx setup, app deployed, SSL working. Hostinger affiliate link is in the description. It's what I use for these tutorials. If you want to see what else Claude Code can do on a server, subscribe. I have more coming. Thanks for watching.